Sila ko. Dito pala sa loob. Gym na tayo. So guys, nagising ako ng maaga today. For the first time ulit, 11:20 mag-gym tayo. Kasi ilang araw na akong kinakain ng kama. So nag-gym ako lagi late na mga 6 p.m. to 9. So ngayon for the first time ulit, makakapag-gym na tayo ng ganitong oras. So I'm so excited. Pero bili muna tayo ng breakfast natin, tsaka coffee. So let's go, sama kayo. Ganda ng view natin, oh. It's a beautiful day. Ready ko lang yung usual na ino-order ko dito. Meron ako dito yung pinapakapi ko na coffee. Nakasave dito sa phone ko. Pasok tayo sa loob. This is what I think. Hinahanap ko lang yung coffee, guys. Wait lang. Order na tayo dito. Hi. Can I order this? But instead of ice and just small size? Yeah. Everything is the same, just hot instead of ice. Can I also have one cheese Danish?
Do you want it warm?
Yeah, one warm. Thank you so much. That's small size, right?
Yeah, name.
Joe.
11,000.
Okay. Kasi tayo mag-order, guys. So, everything is set. Pumili na tayo din ng breakfast natin and then let's wait for it. Ang order natin yung pangalan ko, Joel. And then, we got it now. Take time lang tayo kasi nandito na yung coffee natin. Ito ang order ko, guys. Cheese Danish. Ito yung itsura niya. Hindi ko alam kung meron ganito sa Philippines. Parang alam ko wala. Dito lang ata sa US meron. Oo, hindi pa tapos. Dito, paa. Kabila dito. Patayin ako pa. Stay. Ano na tayo? Chinelas. Yung vaccine nito, Bol, ano na to, pang after 1 year. Natapos na siya sa vaccine niya before. So, ito yung yearly vaccine niya. So, kaya tayong choice kundi gawin. So, papakita ko sa inyo, sasama ko kayo. Okay, let's go. Pabaksinan si Taba. Pabay tayo? Pero pabaksin ka. Ay, ang cute. Ang cute naman, bago suklay. Diyan siya lagi nakapwesto pag bababay na. So, excited ka na. Let's go na. Babay na tayo. Up. Pare ko. Bababay na kami. Andito. Buti na lang yung kotse. Malapit lang. Meron kami available parking sa baba. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Tomorrow is Sunday. So, nakahanap tayo ng parking dun sa harap. Okay. Batong. Kaya ba? Kaya. Lalaglag ka dyan. So dito sa US, guys, ang per vaccine dito ng mga tubol, napakamahal. $100. Pero siyang 2 vaccine this year. 1 today, tsaka... Ano ba yun? Next week, yung isa pa. Parvo ata, tsaka rabies. Last year, hindi naman siya umiyak. Matapang siya. So ngayon, titingnan natin kung hindi siya iiyak, yakapin ko na lang siya. Wawa naman. Ba't nakaganyan ka? Ano gagawin natin? Bababa ka ba? Nainitan ka? O sige na, baba na ikaw. Andito na tayo, guys, sa parking. Bawal malit dito kasi Kinakancel na yung appointment. Bubuka ulit pa ganun. Ito na. Huwag kang magulo. Bawal kasing maliit dito, so. Ha. So, dito tayo sa Petco. Dito yung mga pinabaksina na yun. Sa loob meron. Nandito na tayo. Kinakabahan na siya. Nararamdaman ko na ang tibok ng puso niya. Oh, naman, si Taba. Vaccine, I don't know what vaccine.
Are you gonna get them up today? Yeah, so December Purple's not due till 2027. What you need to get done today is Bordetella, deworming, and rabies.
Okay. Deworming, rabies. And then what's the other one?
Bordetella, deworming,
Okay.
and rabies.
Okay.
And since you're on time, rabies could be good for 3 years now as well,
Okay.
okay? So Bordetella, deworming are good for the year, rabies good for 3 years.
Okay.
It'll be $122 today, okay?
$122.
Signature for services that will be done today.
Oh, you're gonna check his weight? Okay. Tayo. Oh, dyan lang. Dito tayo. No. Stay. Wow. Very good. 15. He's overweight. For sure.
It's a fur. It's a fur.
Oh my God. So, nagbayad na tayo. $122. So, ngayon, pinapapila tayo dito. Second aisle daw. Tapos, may dog-dog din dito. May friend na boss. Friend. So, may mga naka-appointment din ngayon. Ay, little doggy. Tapos, ayun. Ayan, dyan yung pinaka... Ay, yung pag. Saan yung tinawag? Sin Progress Biscuit. May pagkain, lahat na ng pagkain sa'yo. Oo, katakot ko ikaw. It's okay. Yeah. Should we come in? Thank you so much. Here?
Yeah.
Oh, Daddy here. Daddy is here.
He has no piercings.
Yep. We changed his dog food.
Is he on the angel eyes?
Dogs.
Oh, okay. It's working very well.
Yeah. Before we're giving him pet food, it's triggering the... We change it. Exactly. Then also chicken.
Doesn't eat chicken.
Yeah, he's allergic with chicken. No, it's okay. It's okay.
So clean of you.
Very
One
good.
of white, clean dogs.
But he's overweight, I think. 15? Almost.
Chunky. Let me see. I know he's fluffy, but I also can't feel his ribs, and
I know.
he doesn't have a waistline. So I would say
You have to do something.
he needs to be around 13 to 14 pounds, and then feed him around 250 calories.
Okay, pauwi na tayo guys. So again, within 24 hours daw, merong possible na reaction and hopefully wala naman. Guys, nakakauwi lang natin. Hindi ko na na-vlog kasi nahirapan ako sa parking. Hindi. Ayun, so all set na. Ngayon naman bago tayo mag-gym, nagluto na ako ng boiled egg. 4 na kakainin natin. Then with salt and pepper na rin. So pang Korean tong lagayan natin ng ano. And then okay na si Tubol. Ito na siya. Ayan siya. Kawawa naman. Parang yung mata niya na nangalumata. Yung parang magkakasakit after ng vaccine. So anyways, kailangan ko na kumain. Sabi ng doktor, hindi ka na pwedeng kumain ng mga egg. Hi guys. Scooter na naman tayo papuntang kotse. Dahil may bibilin tayong Dyson vacuum. At hindi ko na kayang tiisin dahil sobrang alikabok ngayon dahil nga may sunog nitong mga nakaraang araw. So, pag chinik mo yung bahay sa loob, puti yung gamit ko. Sobrang alikabok niya. Ang daming, as in, sobrang alikabok niya. Ngayon, parang I think I deserve to buy a Dyson vacuum para mas mabilis ang linis natin. Pero guys, dun lang tayo sa practical, no? Bibiling ko lang yung second hand, yung used na, pero 100% working pa din siya. So, bibili natin yun, and then, magdadrive tayo ng mga 30 to 40 minutes away. After natin makuha yung vacuum, maglilinis ako ng bahay kasi parang simula nung nagkasunog, parang hindi pa ako naglilinis ng bahay ulit. And then, ayun nga, ang kapal ng alikabok. Doon ko na napagtanto na, oh my God, I have to buy that vacuum. May kausap na rin ako sa online. Meron siyang application na parang pwede mong mga bilihan ng mga second hand, yung mga used. Yun nga lang, mag-e-effort ka, depende sa location kung nasaan sila. Kasi pwede naman nila ipa-ship. Pero, you gotta have to wait for, I don't know, depends sa location. So, okay, dito na tayo sa kotse. Ito, scooter. Dito sa kotse. Going back, so ayun nga, bibili tayo ng vacuum, pero second hand lang. Say hi ka sa vlog.
Hello guys!
Malapit na kami magkita in 2 to 3 weeks. Yes, ibibisit natin si ate sa New Jersey. Guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa bargain. Ayan, daily bargain. Oh.
Do you look for anything?
Yeah, I'm actually looking for the Dyson vacuum. I saw it on Opera.
No,
There?
yeah, no, he's taking out.
Oh, he's taking it now?
I heard him asking about it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I think you have
Oh,
two.
He might not take it.
Oh, he's not yet sure. Ang ending, may kumukuha na iba. Para kukunin niya ata.
That's the reason I'm getting away from it because I have an 11 right now.
Oh, okay. I have a one that he's 15.
Nakakatawa kasi nakita ko siya sa online. Tapos ngayon, pag kumukuha ang iba, so interested din siya kunin tong
I know.
V12 na Dyson. So, yeah, I'm actually getting the same thing. I saw it online, the V12.
I have a V11, V15.
Can I see the V11? Oh, this is V11, right?
Yeah.
Oh my God. So, you just sold it, the V12 now?
V12 is ago.
Earlier?
Yeah,
Oh my God.
yeah.
I drove for an hour just to
Me
get the
too.
V12.
Me
Yeah,
too.
I
drove
heard.
2 hours.
Because
Yeah.
V12 is better than, V11.
But when you sell it, yeah.
Yeah, we're doing always
have to
so that.
update it,
Oh,
like,
but this is one or
Is that the last price anyway?
Yeah.
180, no?
No.
I mean,
200.
okay, I'm just gonna get that instead.
Sure.
We're here already, so. But I like the V12.
So everything in there, even warranty here. This is warranty.
V11 na lang yung kukunin natin. Oh, you still have another? Ah, this one. I'll get this one anyway.
Yeah, that's the bigger one, which is
Oh, yeah?
decent. The battery's $100 for me to go to buy another battery. So I'm like, it's better. I'll just buy another. But these are better.
So you drove 2 hours?
Long
Long
Beach,
Beach? You're
but-
from Long Beach?
Yeah, but it was traffic all over the
Oh, yeah.
place. I was sitting there.
So guys, nag-drive siya 2 hours just to get the V12. Pares lang kami ng kukunin. And then suddenly, may nakabili na ng iba. Before I pay it, you check it, right? Everything is complete? With this?
I was
You're checking
thinking
it
about
earlier.
getting it, but then I decided,
He said 200.
Yeah?
Yeah, for this. Okay.
여기 촬영하고 있어.
We're all set.
Let me finish
We bought this one already. Bili na natin yung Dyson V11. Let's go! Mamaya ulit, update ko kayo. Hi guys, pauwi na tayo. And bit-bit ko na yung box.